Welcome. If you're here, you've likely got questions about home foundation inspections. Whether you're a homeowner or in the market for a new house, understanding your home's foundation is critical. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about foundation inspections, what they are, who performs them, when you need one, and the costs involved. Let's dive in. A home foundation inspection is an essential step in ensuring the structural integrity of your house. During the process, a structural engineer or foundation repair specialist checks your home for issues like settlement, heave, or other damage. Even minor foundation problems, if left unchecked, can lead to costly repairs down the line. So, what does a foundation inspection involve? Here's the typical 1-hour process. Identifying concerns. The inspector begins by asking about any problem areas you've noticed, such as sloping floors or cracks. Exterior and interior checks. They'll measure and document your home using tools like tape measures and laser devices to create a detailed drawing of your home. Photographic documentation. Photos are taken outside and in crawl spaces to identify cracks or damaged supports. Elevation measurements. Using advanced tools like a zip level altimeter, inspectors are able to check for settlement or unevenness in your home's foundation. Comprehensive report. Finally, the inspector provides a detailed report outlining any issues, recommended solutions, permits needed, and estimated costs. This thorough process ensures you get a clear understanding of your home's foundational health. Who can perform a foundation inspection? It's important to hire a licensed and reputable foundation repair company. Look for specialists experienced in your local area's building codes and foundation types. For example, in states like California, certain licenses are required for foundation repairs. A good company will communicate clearly, explain the process, and ensure you understand their findings. When do you need a foundation inspection? You may need a foundation inspection for several reasons. Signs of damage, if you see cracks, sticking doors or windows, sloping floors, or gaps around the doors and walls. Natural disasters, after events like earthquakes, flooding, or mudslides. Renovations, before adding any major additions to your home, like a new floor. Buying or selling a home. An inspection can boost the property value or prevent costly surprises. Regular maintenance. Early detection of foundation issues can save you thousands in repairs. Cost of foundation inspection. The cost of a foundation inspection depends on who you hire. Here's a general breakdown. Free inspections. Many foundation repair companies offer free inspections for homeowners. Homes on the market. Some companies charge $1,000 or more for inspections when homes are in escrow, often applying this fee towards the cost of repairs. Private structural engineers. Fees range from $500 to $1,500 depending on the size of your home and the depth of the inspection. What to expect before, during, and after an inspection. Once you've scheduled an inspection, here's what happens. The before. The company reaches out to confirm your concerns and provide helpful resources. During. The inspector arrives on time, takes detailed measurements, documents their findings, and conducts a manometer survey to assess settlement levels. After. You'll receive a full repair plan, often on the same day. The inspector will follow up within a couple of days to answer any questions that you may have. It's a seamless process designed to give you peace of mind. DIY versus professional inspections. While a DIY inspection can help you spot early signs of foundation issues, only a professional can provide a thorough assessment. Knowing when to call an expert is key in protecting your investment. If you live in Southern California, Nevada, or Arizona, trust Dalinghaus Construction for your foundation inspection needs. With over 30 years of experience, we're here to ensure your home's foundation is safe and sound. Contact us today for a free inspection, and remember, never settle when it comes to your home's foundation. For expert help, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. You can visit us online at dalinghausconstruction.com or give us a call at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free foundation evaluation. See you next time.